So welcome to our online lesson.
Thank you.
So today we are looking at functions and these operations, and we want to find okay, like given A star B is equal to A plus B divided by A minus B, find the values of 5 star 3 and then 5 star 3 bracket star 2. So that is what we are going to look at today, how we find those values. Okay. So what we shall do first is to let
Teacher, what's going on?
there is something that is not okay here.
What is going on?
Yeah, teacher, we can't hear you.
Hello, guys. I'm not getting anything. I'm not hearing anything from you, Manchester. I don't know.
I can't see anything.
Maybe it's network problem.
Guys, I'm not hearing anything. I'm not hearing.
You're laughing when it is unmuted. All this stuff is unmuted.
Members, let's be patient. The teacher is soon rejoining. I think he has network issues. It is raining at his side. Let's be patient for a while.
Okay.
Meanwhile, don't miss the session at exactly 1 on how to search the internet. It is for you.
So we had arrived here. So we are saying our 5 star 3 is the same as 5 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 3. Because our A star B is A plus B over A minus B. And we say the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 3. So when we get 5 plus 3, what did we get? 5 plus 3?
8.
Get 8. Okay, so 5 plus 3 would be 8 divided by 2. And that gives us
4.
a 4. And then when we go to part B, remember on the second part, we wanted 5 star 3, then star 2. But the 5 star 3 has given us a what? A 4. So instead of having 5 star 3, we are going to substitute 5 star 3 with the 4. And on our next step, we shall have 5 star 3, star negative 2, being equal to 4 star negative 2. Because 5 star 3 has given us 4. And then in here,
What's not happening? Where is the teacher?
work. My network is not good today. So we had reached here on 4 star negative 2, and we were saying it is 4 plus negative 2 divided by 4 minus negative 2. So what is 4 plus negative 2? 4 plus negative 2?
It's a 2.
Negative.
Negative 2.
It's a 2.
It is a 2 because it is the same as 4 minus 2. Then 4 minus minus 2?
6.
What is 4 minus minus 2?
6.
6. Okay. The negative followed by negative gives us positive. Okay. So that means we are going to have 4 minus 2 divided by 4 plus 2. I think this was supposed to be 6. There's a typing error there. So this is 6. And then this would give us 1 divided by 3. Because here it would be by 1 and here by 3. So 4 star negative 2 would be the same as a third. Any questions before I continue?
No.
Okay.
No question.
Okay, let us go through this one here. So we're given that A star B is equal to A times B squared. So find the values of 2 star 5 and
Kosa soko join a message. Mm. Mm.
The value of A if A star 3 is equal. So in a, we first write our formula A star B.
There is what's happening.
Our B here we are saying is a 5. And when we substitute, that would be 2 times 5 squared. And then 5 squared gives us 25. And that would give us 2 times 25. So 2 times 25 gives us a 50. So like how we can see it here. So 2 star 5 will give us 50. And then after part B, after that, we go to the second part. They're asking us to find the value of A if A star 3 is equal to 65. So this time we are asked the value of A. So we shall begin by substituting for A star 3, and A will remain as A, and then B will be 3. And that will be equal to A star 3, S times 3 squared. What is 3 squared?
9.
9. So 3 squared is 9. So that means we shall have our A star 3 giving us A times 9. And that will give us 9A is equal to A star 3. But we are given that A star 3 is equal to 63. So that means 63 is equal to 9A. And in order to find A, we are going to divide both sides by 9. And when we get 63 divided by 9, what do we get?
7.
7. So our value of A will be equal to 7.
7.
Okay. Then we go to another one. Given that A star B is equal to A over B plus B over A, find the value of a half star 2 over 3. Okay, so who can explain for us this first part here by show of hand? What is it? Fractions. So what is wrong with fractions?
Master, the fractions are confusing.
Sure. Okay, let us go through it. Okay, so we are saying A star B is equal to A divided by B plus B divided by A. So, and we are requested to find a half star 2 over 3. So that means our half is A and 2 over 3 is B as indicated here. So our A is a half, our B is 2/3. So A star, a half star 2 over 3. So where there is A, we substitute a half. Okay, so where there is A here, I've put a half, then divide it by 2 over 3, and that will give us the value of A over B. Okay, so this one here. Then we add B, which is 2 over 3. We divide it by A, which is a half. Are we there? Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Now, this one, I can use the ordinary division signs. I can, instead of having it as a fraction, dividing fraction by fraction, I can have it as 1 over 2. Then I use these division signs here. So a half divided by 2 over 3. Then I close bracket, plus open another bracket, 2 over 3. Then I divide by a half. So using these ordinary division signs. And what do we do when we are dividing fractions? What do we do when we are dividing fractions?
Get the
When we are
reciprocal.
Find LCM.
When we are
you
dividing,
multiply by,
you find the reciprocal.
okay. So we are going to multiply by the reciprocal of 2 over 3 in the first bracket and the reciprocal of a half in the second what? Bracket. So that will give us 1 divided by 2. So it will give us 1 divided by 2, and then we multiply 3 divided by 2, which is a reciprocal of 2 over 3. Then we add 2 over 3, and then we multiply by the reciprocal, which is 2 divided by 1. Then 1 times 3 is going to give us 3. 2 times 2 is giving us 4. So in the first bracket, we shall have 3 divided by 4. Then plus, in the second bracket, it is 2 times 2, which gives us 4.
Divide by 3.
And then 3 times 1, which gives us 3.
3.
And then we find the LCM of 3 and what? And 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. So we write it here. 12. We divide it by 4.
3.
And it gives us
3.
3. So we multiply it by 3. And it gives us a what? A 9.
9.
Then we come back and still get a
Okay, what
12.
are you doing?
Yes.
Thank you.
We are simplifying this 3 over 4 plus 4 over 3. We want to have it as a single fraction. This one here. So we began by getting the LCM of 4 and 3. And that LCM is 12. Is it okay?
Yes.
So we are getting 12, which is the LCM. We divide by 4, and it gives us a 3. So we multiply by this 3 to come up with the 9. Then we still get 3, still get 12 divided by 3. It gives us 4. 4 times 4, it gives us a 16. And then we say 9 plus 16, and 9 plus 16 gives us
25.
9 times 16.
It's 9
No,
plus
9 plus 16.
25.
25. So I have that 2 over 3 would give us 25 and divided by 12. Any question before we proceed?
No.
Master,
Okay.
like, is it
Yes.
possible for me? What if, like, I divide 25 by 12 and I express it in decimal points? Am I right?
Yes, it is also okay. Much as if we are given fractions, we should leave our answers in fractions.
Okay, master.
This other one now, given that a star b is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab divided by a minus b, find the value of 4 star 3 and 8 star bracket 4 star 3. So who can explain for us the first one of 4 star 3 by show of hand? None. So no one can explain.
Have you picked me?
Let's continue. So a star b, we are given that it is a squared plus b squared. You didn't raise your hand up. Okay, you can explain. Okay, Ben at hope. Okay.
Yes. We are given a star b equals
Yes.
squared minus 2ab. The whole thing divided by a minus b. This 4 is our a, and this 3 is our b. Now we are going to substitute in this equation up here. So when we substitute for a,
We are not hearing you, please.
we are going to substitute in this for this. This is our a, this is our b. So we get 4 the screen, sir. So I'm not seeing the screen.
Master, we are not seeing the screen.
The teacher has gone off, but I'm sure he's reconnecting. Let's be patient.
One button. One button. This video. Don't have. Charlie cook, baby boy.